Hi, writers. It's sharing day, and I thought you might want to hear my book. I've been working a lot on this yoga book, so I thought I'd pick that to share with you. Here we go. All about yoga. Yoga is good for you. I like to do it. Do you know what it is? What is it? Yoga is a way to stretch your body with your breath. Yoga has different poses with names. Who can do it? Everyone can do yoga. Kids can do yoga. Moms and dads can do yoga too. How? You will need this for yoga: a long rectangle shaped mat or blanket. You need comfy clothes. Where do you do it? You can do yoga anywhere. Some people do it at a studio. Some people do it at their house or outside. I hope you try yoga. It feels great. It makes me happy. It could make you feel happy too. Glossary, expert words: yoga mat, breathe, studio, pose. That's my book. I'm super proud of myself because I worked hard on pushing to make a second sentence on every page. So I hope you heard that. I had 2 sentences on every page. I wonder what you worked hard on for your All About book. I can't wait to see all of your fantastic ideas, and maybe you have some new burning ideas. Like, I'm thinking that butterfly might be a great topic, and maybe you want to write about butterflies too. Who knows? Have a great Friday.